Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you, where's my piece of paper? You see before you a 35 by 12 inch or approximately 90 by 30 centimetre canvas, to which I've added some black paint and put a bit of tape around the edge just to hold the paints the way I want them to go. I'll take that off later and they can spill over. I have a couple of colours that I made myself, which is a smoky mauvey sort of colour, and I guess it's a rosy sort of colour, gold, which I never messed with, and black. So, and a cold cup of coffee, yeah. And so what I want to do, which I did before, this is the second canvas, the other one is just at the outer shot at the end of the table drawing, and I did the video and everything, got inside no SD card, so there was no video, so I'm doing this one now, very similar, because I rather like that one a lot, but I'll show you that one at the end. And so what I'm doing, I'm just going to pour a dirty cup with my colours and see what we have here. I'm putting a little bit of black between these to start off with, and right, and now I will put the colours in on top of one another. I'm using rather a large container because it's rather a large canvas, and these colours look very pretty together. I'm going to run out of black. I think I've got a bit in here still. Yes. Now what I wanted to do with this, rather than just pour it straight out or do a ring pour or whatever, put some black on the top, I think. Right. I wanted to do this one the same as that one, and I actually held it up a little bit, and then I went side to side with it and just let it roll down on itself. There's silicone in the gold, red and the mauvey blue thing. Just let it go down to the end. I allowed it to pool a little bit, and then I'll put it down. I'll get these out of my way. I have a tray over here, which is where they're all going. They can go in the sink. Bring him back just a tad. And gotcha. I'm taking these off. Pretty gooey. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium in the silicone, etc., you'll find below show more under the video, along with the link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there and check us out. I'll just put a bit of this colour on this patch here. Thank you. And then I'm going to wipe my hands off under the tap and give this a torch. And I'm going to do the edges as well. Okay, I might do the edges before I torch it. That way it'll have a little rest. And a little bit there. That one. Yeah. This bloke needs just a bit over this edge. So that colour's a little bit different to what the mainstream is, and as you can see, it's really very pretty. And I could tilt it either way and fill the whole thing up, but I rather like the idea of the black edge around it. Maybe I could stretch it just a little bit. And then down here. And back to you guys. Yeah, that's looking really good. Right, I'm going to leave that alone and I'm going to torch it. Whoa. Too much, that can doesn't seem to want to work. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is turn you off and then put these together so you can see both of them, and I'm very happy. Look at the huge cells. Yes, so I'll do that, clean up, and then I'll bring you down to have a look. Oh, I would love. Alright, well, I won't be a second, so please just bear with me. Right, so I've got them all set up here, and as you can see, they're side by side, but this is the one I just did that you saw me pouring, and it's just really beautiful. Really, when it dries, that gold, that yellow that you can see is gold, it will just be spectacular. And the amazing cells, I can't believe how beautiful they are, and they seem to be in exactly the right place where you might like to have them. So it maybe it'll be easier if I go like this, and you can see this one and I'm really over the moon with these two. So that's that one, and this will be like the top of it, coming around like that, and got a bit of glare. This is the other one I did, and then found out I didn't have the SD card into the camera, so there's no video for this, but similar colours, or exactly the same colours, same technique, and totally different. And I love this one as well. I'm just going to walk around, don't get too dizzy, and take it from this end so you can see. Whereas the first one I just, this is the first one, the other one there has the cells. This one has a few cells, but it has the lines, and whilst they're both the same, they're totally different, and I really like them both. I just can't tell you which one I like the best. I don't think I like either one the best, I just like them both. So that's that one, and then back to this one. I'll see if I can get them. I've got glare. Let me go around. So can I do it from here? No. This is not happening. Where's my chair? Right, let's get up on a chair. Up we go. Okay, so there's the two together. So I really do hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly have had fun making these, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please come across to Australia Art Dreaming, like, subscribe, that'd be nice, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.